A critical international search remains ongoing for 5 people on board a submersible called Titan that vanished in the North Atlantic Ocean. Overnight, the U.S. Coast Guard saying a Canadian aircraft detected underwater noises in the search area. But when operations relocated to find the source, searches have yielded negative results. Authorities believe the crew, which was on its way to tour the wreckage of the Titanic, only have enough oxygen to last them until Thursday morning.
Our crews are working around the clock to ensure that we are doing everything possible to locate the Titan and the 5 crew members.
The Coast Guard releasing video from inside its operations center, also showing the search pattern. Teams from France and the U.S. Air Force aiding the search, but so far no signs of Titan, which is roughly the size of a van. On board Titan is OceanGate CEO Stockton Rush. That same sub has made more than a dozen previous trips to the Titanic wreckage site. Also among the missing, businessman Shahzada Dawood, his son Solomon, renowned Titanic researcher Paul Henry Nodule, and Hamish Harding, a British billionaire.
I'm terrified, I'm anxious. Every single second, every single minute feels like hours. And we're losing time.
In a 2018 lawsuit, the company's former director of operations raised concerns about the safety of Titan at extreme depths, saying that constant pressure could weaken existing flaws in the sub. That same year, industry experts wrote a letter to OceanGate warning of potentially catastrophic problems with Titan's development.
It must be understood this is an experimental craft and that there are significant risks attached to it.
The Navy is now sending equipment that can lift up to 60,000 pounds, designed for recovering large undersea objects in the event the sub is located. But if the crew is trapped on the ocean floor, they're facing extreme conditions. M. Wynn, ABC News, Washington.
We're now learning a research professor from UNC Wilmington is part of the team that launched that sub. Dr. Steve Ross is renowned for his marine research. He's serving as the chief scientist for OceanGate, the foundation that created the Titan submersible. Officials at UNCW say Ross is safe.